Find the distance. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. First one 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 1.
Yes,
Second one minus 5. Yes.
yes, Hasni. First one and so Hasni, first, second and third I'll do Hasni because they have negative values. First one is directed. We can try it as homework Hasni.
Okay.
So first one, or else all the three I'll finish it Hasni since first time you're doing the distance formula. Okay. So 2
Okay,
comma
sir.
3, 4 comma 1 Hasni. So what we will do Hasni? This one is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2.
Wait.
Okay. So some teachers will clearly write x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4 Hasni, y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to
1.
1, like that clearly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then they'll use the formula. Let us take these points as A and B Hasni. So AB distance is given as, so until we become, since we are using it for the first time Hasni, we'll write the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So what it will become Hasni, x2 minus x1 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. I just substituted it Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in this one step Hasni?
No, sir.
So 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 2 is how much Hasni?
4 minus 2 is 2, sir.
2 square is
4.
plus 1 minus 3
1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2.
minus 2
Minus
whole
2,
square.
4.
So 4 plus 4 is root 8 Hasni. So we have to leave the answer in simplest form Hasni. This is root 8 means Hasni. Actually 8 if you prime factorize it, you will get 2 into 2 into
2.
2 Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
we know that from the square root that is paired, one of them we can take it outside Hasni.
Okay, sir.
And the one that is not paired that will be inside the root only. Understood Hasni what
Okay,
I'm
sir.
trying to tell?
Yes, sir.
So the pair of twos, that is 4. 4 square root is 2, it will come outside. One more 2 which is not paired will be inside the square root.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I delete it Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Second bit Hasni. 5 minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma. Again I am writing down of it Hasni x1 y1 x2 y2. Let us name this as a comma. So Hasni, can you tell quickly now AB formula? What is the distance formula Hasni?
Uh, x, uh, x2 minus x1 plus
Whole square.
whole
Whole
square
square.
plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes, Asni. Once will quickly tell the values, Asni, what I have to substitute the extreme and x1 square.
Okay, sir.
So x2 is Asni.
x2 is minus 1,
Yes, Asni.
minus 1 minus 5.
So Asni, already in the formula 1 minus is there and all x1 is also minus. So minus of minus.
Plus.
So it will become directly shall I write Asni or shall I write one extra step?
No, sir, you can directly write.
Yes, Asni. Already in the formula we have one minus and x1 is also minus. So we have to imagine it in our brain only Asni and directly write, we can write it as minus 1 plus 5 whole square.
Okay, sir.
Then y2 minus y1 whole square has is answer. So what I have to write Hasni?
y2 minus y1, 3.
3 minus
3 minus 7.
Hasni. 3 minus 7 whole square is, we have to write 3 minus 7 whole square. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
Now we will write minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is how much Hasni?
Minus 1 plus y is
4
4.
Hasni. So 4 square
4.
is 4 square plus 3 minus 7 is
So minus 4.
Yes, Hasni. So minus 4 whole square like that. So
Okay,
4
sir.
square is 16, Hasni, and minus 4 whole square is
Minus 4 whole square is 16.
yes, Hasni. So 16 plus 16 is 32. Okay. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now, Hasni, I'll just do the prime factorization 2 into 2 into. After doing prime factorization, already you know how to do prime factorization in the first chapter, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So 2 in, you'll get 2 into 2, 5 2s, you'll get Hasni. 32 marks.
Okay, sir.
So pairs here, 2s, one pair Hasni, and here one more pair is there. So the one that is not paired will be inside the root only, Hasni. So from the two pairs, you'll get 1 2 outside, one more 2 outside, and root 3.
Okay, sir.
So 2 2s are 4 root.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So how I brought the 2s out, I think you don't have any doubt, Hasni.
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Shall I delete it, Hasni?
1 second, sir. Yes, sir. You can delete it.
Yes, Hasni. So first one, third question, Hasni, no? So it is a comma b and minus a comma minus b Hasni. So I'm under that I'm writing x1 y1 Hasni and x2
Right.
y2. Top of that capital A, capital B. So points. So A B, let us consider them as A and B Hasni, and A B distance is given as formula Hasni again. Spell the formula Hasni.
X square, x2 minus x1 whole square
Whole square
plus
plus
y2 minus y1 whole square.
yes Hasni. So it will become
Minus b, no wait. Minus a plus a whole square.
yes Hasni minus A. It will become actually minus Hasni x2 is minus A. Then x1
X1 minus a minus minus plus.
means Hasni. Now I have to write here plus A or minus A Hasni. Means next I have to write plus A or minus A Hasni.
Sir, you can write plus a, sir, because minus of minus will be plus, right?
But Hasni x1 is what? X1 is what? Oh, x1 value is how much Hasni?
A.
So when x1 is also minus a means then minus of minus plus it will become. In the formula we have minus. When you're subtracting that it will become plus. But x1 is just a only, no this time.
Okay, sir, got it, sir. So minus.
Yes, Hasni. This is minus a because x2 is given as minus a, that's why.
Okay, sir.
Then plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So
Minus b whole square.
yes, Hasni. So now minus a Hasni, students will apply a minus b whole square Hasni. A minus b whole square when we should apply is Hasni, these letters are different, but here same letters no we can add it. So it'll be a minus b whole square if you apply also you'll get the same answer, but time waste. When letters are same, we need not apply. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So a minus a, it's like this Hasni. Minus one, how much Hasni?
Minus
Minus
1,
one.
minus 1. Minus 1,
Yes,
minus 1,
Hasni.
sir.
Yes, Hasni. Minus one, how
Minus 2.
much? Like
Minus
that
2.
minus a will become a plus a is how much Hasni?
2a.
Like that minus a will become
Minus 2a.
whole square because before a's here ones will be there that we should add it.
Okay, sir.
And minus b is
Minus 2b square.
s Hasni. So minus 2a whole square is how much Hasni?
Once could you repeat? Minus 2a square, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Minus 2 a
4
whole
a
square.
square. 4 a
Yes,
square.
Hasni. Minus 2 square is 4. A square is plus 4 a square.
4 a square. Yes, sir.
And this one is Hasni.
4b square.
Yes, Hasni. So now inside the square root Hasni, we can take 4 common. No?
Yes, sir.
So 4 if we take common, what we will get Hasni? Bracket open. 4 into bracket open.
A square plus b square.
Yes, Hasni. Because the reason is 4 into a square and 4 into b square. If you open it, you will get that all.
Okay, sir.
Now 4 square root, whenever we have whenever you have multiplication inside the root Hasni, we can just apply the square root separately for them. So this will become square root of 4 into square root of a square plus b square. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So in this step you cannot apply, because in this step directly we cannot apply, because in between addition is.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have applied it for 4 and bracket open a square plus b square separately.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because the reason is root of a into b is root a into root b. Separate. So here root 4 into root of a square plus b square we are doing first.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So root 4 is how much asking?
Root 4 is 2.
Yes, asking. And root 2 into root of a square plus.
B square.
Any doubt asking?
No, sir.
Yes. Shall I delete it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Asking. Now next one asking. Second question. Once you read the question, ask me second one.
Find the distance between the point 0, comma 0 and 36, comma 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2?
Yes, Hasni. Actually, Hasni, distance between the point 0, comma 0 and 36, comma 15, we will first finish it, Hasni. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
So A is 0, comma 0 means origin, and B is 36, comma 15. So Hasni, this is x1, y1, and this is x2,
X2, Y2.
y2. The formula is what, Hasni? AB is equal to square root of x2 minus
X2 minus X1 plus Y2 minus
whole square.
Y1 whole square. Okay, sir. Y2 minus Y1 whole square.
Yes, yes. So now Hasni, root of x2 minus x1 whole square Hasni. So 36 minus 0 whole square plus what I have to write Hasni now?
Uh, Plus 15 minus 0 whole square.
Yes, Hasni. So 36 minus 0 whole square Hasni, which is 36 minus 0 means here also we need not do a minus b whole square, because 36 minus 0 we can do it. If
Okay,
you use a minus b whole square also you get same answer.
okay, sir.
Okay. So 36 square plus 15 square.
15 square.
Okay. Yes, Hasni. So 36 square is how much Hasni? I think 1296 Hasni if we do it. That's 6 to 36.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 15 square is 225.
Okay.
So, so 1296 plus 225. How much Hasni?
2171.
Nice. 1296 plus 225. 1521. Okay.
Okay, sir.
1521. So square root of 1521 will be 39. So 39 units is the distance asking. I think you already know how to do the square root ask. We have to do the prime factorization of that number. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1521 prime factorization has me 3 table it will go 3 5s are 15, 0 will come in between 507 will come. Then again 3 table has me 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18, 3 nines are. Then 169 will go directly with 13 table. 13 13s are 13 ones are. So square root of 1521 means you have to do 3 into 3 into 13 into 13.
13.
So
Oh,
two pairs here 13s are paired has me. And so 1 3 will come outside and 13 will come outside. 3 into 13 is 39. Square root if they remove. Okay. Because both 3
oh,
and 13 is paired, we can take it outside.
okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So then they said, what, Hasni? Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? Is the second part of the question. So once if we see that, Hasni, section 7.2. So I think it is in the starting of the chapter, Hasni. Okay, this one.
Okay, sir.
So here they gave actually the points Hasni A and B. We can just A's A and B distance. A's position is Hasni. The town is at A. A is 0 comma 0 Hasni. If you see from the figure. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can see the how would you find out the distance from town A to town B without actually measuring? So here Hasni town A is located at 0 comma 0. And town B, if you see the horizontal value Hasni is 36. It's 36 units horizontally. So X is 36 and 15 units vertically Hasni. Y is 15. Is what are the values of A and B Hasni? A is town A is
0, comma 0.
0 comma 0. Town B points is here X horizontally it is 36 units, vertically it is 15 units.
15.
Horizontal distance is X value Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. Which
Okay.
is perpendicular distance measured from y-axis is the horizontal distance, that is x value. Perpendicular distance measured from x-axis. Perpendicular distance, if it is measured from x-axis, that is vertical value will be the y value.
Okay, sir.
So indirectly, the perpendicular distance measured from x-axis is the y coordinate. So 15 is the y coordinate, which is a vertical line. Because vertical line is the one which is measured perpendicularly from x-axis.
Okay, sir.
So now both actually we already found out the distance between these two towns as you know, because the reason is in that question which they gave also A is 0 comma 0 only and B is 36 comma
15.
15 only. So distance between the towns is directly now indirectly the answer same answer. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
39 kilometer. Just will add kilometer extra
Okay,
because
sir.
same they are the same point these points only which are given.
Okay, sir.
Third one, Hasni. Shall I delete it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So third question has me. Because in the before question also we saw the same point that yes, no, Hasni, just now.
Yes, sir.
So we did not separately find out as in same. Find the distance between the two towns means it is 39 kilometers.
Okay, sir.
So third one has me. Once you read the question has me.
Determine if the points 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3, and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear.
Yes, Hasni. So collinear meaning we need to understand Hasni. So collinear means, for example, if 3 points lie on a line, same line Hasni, then the points are said to be collinear. Linear means straight. Collinear means all these 3 points are one after the other in a straight line. That is the mean.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asmi. So here, if suppose Asmi, let us take this is the and this is the let us take some positions of distances. A is Hyderabad. Let us take example. B is Chennai and C is Mumbai. Let us take some roughly. So Asmi, let us imagine these three places are in a straight line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now Hyderabad to Chennai, if it is 10 I'm just randomly taking Asmi, 200 kilometer. Let us take. It's lesser, but let us take roughly. And Chennai to Mumbai, let us take more 300 Asmi.
Okay, sir.
So if all these three lie on the same line, Asmi, what is the distance between Hyderabad and Mumbai now? What is the distance between Hyderabad and Mumbai, Asmi?
Sir, could you repeat?
If suppose if this is the case, Hasni, what is the distance between Hyderabad to Mumbai? From the figure, Hasni, directly, no, it is starting is Hyderabad, ending is Mumbai. So what is the distance between them? Hasni, fast.
400?
How much, Hasni?
I was telling 400, sir.
How, Hasni? How it is, Hasni? 400.
Uh,
You can tell Hasni quickly fast because
so because it's collinear?
Hasni?
Sir, I was telling if it's collinear.
No, Hasni. I'm normally asking. Suppose Hyderabad to Chennai it is 200. Chennai to Mumbai it is 300. Hyderabad to Mumbai will be how much, Hasni?
Hyderabad to Chennai is 200. Chennai to Mumbai is 300. So will
Yes,
it
sir.
be like 300 plus 200, 500?
Yes, Hasni. So
Okay,
Hasni,
now I got it.
so if 3 points are collinear, Hasni, yes, Hasni. If you add the individual distances between them, you should get the total distance.
Okay, sir.
Then only we can say that those points are collinear.
Oh, okay, sir.
Otherwise, if suppose we will now here we can find out using these 3 points, Hasni. We can find out three distances, Hasni, using these
Oh,
points. Distance between these two, and these two, first and last. So
okay, sir.
we'll add the two smaller distances. If it comes equal to one of the bigger distances, then they're pulling.
Okay, sir.
So shall I delete this asking?
Yes, sir.
So now third one I am doing it asking. Third one. So first let us take A 1 comma 5, B 2 comma 3, and C minus 2 comma minus 11.
Okay, sir.
So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y. So now I am doing AB distance asking.
Okay, sir.
So now Hasni, AB distance is nothing but we have to apply the distance formula, imagining this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So I'm writing the distance formula, Hasni. So you quickly tell directly Hasni without the formula because we have used it for the before two sums. So these two, if you apply it, what will become?
Okay, sir. 2 minus 1 whole square
Hasni plus
uh, plus 3 minus 5 whole square.
yes, Hasni. So it will become 2 minus 1 whole square is
1. 1 whole square, which is equals to 1.
minus 2 whole square. Yes, Hasni. So how much will become Hasni? Root of 1 plus
4 root 5.
yes, Hasni. Now BC I'm doing Hasni. Same
Okay,
way.
sir.
So BC you will tell it Hasni, you have to imagine this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So it will become same way
Okay, sir.
Hasni.
Minus 2 plus 2 whole square.
But Hasni,
Minus 2 whole square, sir. I mean,
it's Hasni plus
plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square.
minus 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so minus 2 whole square is minus,
minus 4 square, which is equals to 60.
yes, Hasni, plus minus 7 minus 3 is
Minus 14.
14 whole square. Okay, see?
Okay, sir.
So it will become root of minus 14 whole square is 16 Hasni. Okay. Minus 14 whole square is 196 because 14 square is 196 Hasni. Minus square is become plus, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So 196 plus 16 is 212 Hasni. If we simplify it using prime factorization, Hasni, you will get it as so we'll simplify it Hasni. 4 2 into 2 into 53 you will get it Hasni, this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If we do the prime factorization of 212, so now 2 is paid, no?
Yes, sir.
So we can take it outside the root. It will become 2 root 50.
53.
Yes, Hasni. Now Hasni CA I am doing. CA is equal to minus 2. Yes, Hasni. You will try to tell the formula for these 2 points, Hasni, now.
Minus 2 minus 1 whole square
Yes, Hasni.
plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square.
Yes, Hasni. So it will become minus 2 minus 1 whole square is
Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 square.
yes, Hasni. It will become
Minus 3 square.
yes, Hasni. 9. Can I write directly, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Plus minus 11 minus 5 is
16 square.
so it's minus 16 actually. Minus 16 whole square
Minus
is plus.
16.
Yes, Hasni. So 256 plus 9 is 265 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, this one if we simplify it also, we will just get prime factorization as 5 into 53 Hasni. So none of them is paired. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
So because 265 prime factorization, if you try to do it, Hasni, 5 into 53, you get both 5 and 53 are prime. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So you will get it as 5 into 53 only, Hasni, and means we can write it as root 265 only.
Okay, sir.
So now, Hasni, we will check here out of these three distances, Hasni, root 5, root 212 are smaller than root 265, no?
Yes, sir.
So if we add those two smaller distances, if we get the bigger distance, then they are collinear, Hasni. Otherwise, they are not collinear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now what I
Okay,
will
sir.
do is, Hasni, here three distances I got A, B, B, C. AB is root 5 I got, BC I got it as root 2 root 53 has.
Okay, sir.
And CA I got it as root.
265.
So Asni, if I add A, because since first two are the smaller ones than the third one, first two if we add, then we should get the third one, no?
Yes, sir.
We cannot take the bigger one with smaller one, no, Hasni?
So once
Because
could you repeat?
since if they are collinear, Hasni, like I said in the example before starting, smaller distances sum should be equal to bigger distance,
Yes, sir.
but not bigger distance plus any smaller distance, no?
Yes, sir.
So here 2 root 53 means actually it is 212, root 212.
Okay, sir.
We already did before us. Root 212 only we got to root. So
Okay, sir.
Hasni, now what I am trying to tell is AB plus BC, that is root 5 plus root 212, is not equal to root 265, Hasni. This both will not be equal. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So because of that reason, they are not a
Collinear.
collinear. We didn't get them same, the sum will not be equal to root 265, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Because if we add them individual values, decimals and find out also, we'll get root 5 plus root 212 as 16.796 Hasni, whereas root 265 will get as 16.278. So they, that sum
Okay.
will not be equal to that. But anyways, here itself you can write that sum cannot, we cannot add the individual values as well when sum is there.
Okay,
Like
sir.
we cannot do root of 212 plus 5, root of 217, you cannot write like that. And sum is there. If it is product means you can write root 5 into root 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So finally, Hasni, third one, the given points are not.
Not collinear.
Yes, Hasni. Just for non-collinear, we can say Hasni, or simply not collinear. They're not collinear, we can say, or non-collinear points also. Non-collinear.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Just for confirmation, once we'll check the back answer, Hasni. Third one.
Yes, sir. It's no only.
Huh? They give collinear.
No, sir. It said it's not collinear, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So, Hasni, fourth one, Hasni. If you see fourth one, once you read the question, Hasni.
Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are vertices of isosceles triangle.
Yes, Hasni. So, what is isosceles triangle? Is Hasni? If in a triangle two sides are equal, ABC, if two sides are equal, Hasni, AB and AC are equal, then it's an isosceles triangle.
Okay, sir.
So, Hasni, or AB or BC, any two out of all the three distances means now what we should do, Hasni? We should do AB distance, BC distance, and CA distance. All the three distances we'll do, Hasni. If it's out of those two, if two sides are equal, then we'll say it's isosceles.
Okay, sir.
So first AB Hasni, you will tell the formula AB directly without formula Hasni. AB distance, root of
6 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 5 whole square.
it's Hasni.
4 minus 2 whole square.
In the now here it will come Hasni because y2 minus y1 in the formula minus is there. Y1 is what Hasni here?
Okay, minus 2. Okay, sir.
Means in the formula we have one minus, and when the number itself has minus sign, both minus will become.
Plus
So what I have to write Hasni now?
4 plus 2.
Whole square.
Okay, sir.
So it will become root of 6 minus y whole square is how much Hasni?
1 square,
Plus
6 square.
yes Hasni. So it will become root of 1 plus 6, which is sorry, root of 1 plus 6 square is how much Hasni?
6 square is
36.
36, sir.
It's asking root 37. Then BC has me. So it is 6 minus BC. Can you tell has me same way? Distance formula for B and C.
B and C, sir.
Yes, asked.
7 minus 6 whole square
Yes, asking.
minus 2 minus 4 whole square.
Here 1 minus only will come because 4 is only 4 has no negative sign, no, so plus will not come in the middle.
Okay, sir.
Is equal to root of 7 minus 6 whole square has 7 minus 6 how much has been?
1, sir.
So 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 has been
Minus 2 minus 4, sir.
actually both are negative, no?
Yes, sir. Minus 4 and minus 2 is equals to minus 6, right, sir?
Yes, actually. So minus 6 whole square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will become root of 1 plus root times.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
Then CA has me finally. CA is equal to
CA is 7 minus 5.
yes, Hasni. We can do this minus that or that minus this. Anyway is also not a problem, Hasni. So actually, if you consider CA order, Hasni, x2 y2 will become 5 comma minus 2 and x1 y1 will become 7 comma minus 2.
Okay, sir.
So shall I write understood, Hasni? 5 minus 7 whole square shall I write, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Because you have to imagine C as the first point, A as the second point.
Second point.
Yes, Hasni. Or if you do either way also, you get the same answer. Like I said, starting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because whole square will be there. No, x2 minus x1 means it is x2 minus x1 is not equal to x1 minus x2, but x2 minus x1 whole square is equal to x1 minus x2 also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then this one has to be 5 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2.
Minus 2 whole square.
Same.
Sir, minus 2 and minus 2, right, sir? Minus 2 and minus 2 whole square.
Right, Hasni. But in the formula also we have minus.
Okay, so plus 2.
Understood, Hasni, what I'm trying to tell.
Okay, sir. Actually, minus minus is equals to plus, right, sir? So that's why, right,
These
sir?
two, actually, Hasni, these two you are subtracting, no?
Yes, sir.
So when you subtract those, in the formula also we have one minus here, and this is also minus.
Okay, sir. Okay.
X2 minus x1. X2 is minus 2, y2, sorry, x2 is minus 2, x1 is minus 2, in between minus is there, no?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So it will become minus 2 minus of minus?
Minus of minus plus.
Yes, that's true. So minus 2 plus 2, like that way. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So 5 minus 7 whole square is how much, Hasni?
5 minus 7 is minus 2 whole
Minus 2
square.
whole square plus?
Minus 2 plus 2, 0 square.
Yes, Hasni. So it will become minus 2 whole square is also 4
4
plus.
plus 0.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Root 4 is?
2.
So Hasni, now clearly we found out A, B, B, C, C, A, three distances, Hasni. Root
Okay, sir.
37, we got the BC also we got it as root
37.
37
Root
and
37.
CA is 2. So Hasni,
Yes.
they asked check whether they are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Now we should tell yes, sir. The reason is we got two sides equal, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Two sides equal to root 30. Hence, they form isosceles triangle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So we will say that AB is equal to BC is equal to root 37. Two sides are equal. Hence, they form isosceles triangle. Hence, they are the vertices of isosceles triangle.
Okay, sir.
Hasni. Any doubt, Hasni? Shall I tell you?
Yes, sir, you can take it. No doubt, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now, Hasni, fifth one also will finish it, Hasni, once you read the question, Hasni, fifth one.
In a classroom, four friends are seated at the point A, B, C, and D, shown in figure 7.8. Champa and Chameli walk into the class after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees using the distance formula. Find which of them is correct.
Yes, Hasni. So here four people are there, Hasni. We'll just write the coordinates of them first. As per the question, Hasni, four friends are there here. Those friends' positions are given here in the figure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll write all the four positions, Hasni. Coordinates will write, Hasni, first. A is how much, Hasni? Can you tell by looking at this? A point x and y value will be how much?
3 comma 4.
Yes, Hasni. B, Hasni.
6 comma 7.
Yes, Hasni. C, Hasni.
9 comma 4.
Yes, Hasni. D.
D 6 comma 1.
Yes, Hasni. So we will do A, B. They're asking Hasni, all the four friends positions we got, no?
Yes, sir.
They're asking Hasni, like, don't, some one person is there, Hasni, like, Champa and Chemeli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chemeli, like ABCD, or actually they gave some points in the figure, Hasni, and Champa is discussing with Chemeli that this ABCD will form square or not, Hasni. They're asking.
Okay, sir.
Means Champa says, Champa asks Chemeli that ABCD is a square or not.
Okay, sir.
Then Chemeli disagrees it. So using this,
Okay.
so if it is a square, Hasni, suppose this is a square, these 4 points will form square. What are the conditions required, Hasni? The square conditions is all the four sides AB, BC, CD, and A. All the four sides should be
Equal.
equal, and diagonals also we have to check. And diagonals means Hasni this
Okay,
BD
sir.
and BD is equal to CA.
Okay, sir.
Then only then only it forms warehouse. Okay. Otherwise, if we do these four distances and even the diagonal distances, Hasni, using these vertices, if we get those distances as per the written way, same, Hasni, then only Chempa is correct, Hasni. Otherwise, Chemeli is correct.
Okay, sir.
So, Hasni, this part you will finish it as homework by our afternoon class, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So again, from we will discuss this and we'll go to the next person. Okay,
Okay,
Hasni.
sir. Okay, sir.
Hasni. Bye, Hasni.
Bye, sir.
Okay, Hasni.